Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight LLC. Today we will discuss about Dubai Trade e-service and how to get subscription of Dubai Trade. Dubai Trade is a smart integrated e-service provider under a single window that makes trade engagement easy for logistics and supply chain service companies. Through our transparent yet personalized system, Dubai Trade intend to create collaboration opportunities for customers to experience a significant growth in efficiency in managing their trade logistics. Dubai Trade subscription is a time-based access fee which grants permission to authorized user to use transactional service of multiple service providers rendered through Dubai Trade portal. Dubai Trade subscription is necessary if you are a clearing agent company. Subscribed users with Dubai Trade are entitled to multiple benefits such as single sign-on access to all portal service, unlimited number of authorized role and users, unlimited transaction, e-service training to register user at Dubai Trade training labs, round-the-clock customer support and Dubai Trade mailbox for communication. Now I'm going to tell you how to activate your subscription. First of all, go to Dubai Trade website, which is www.dubaitrade.ae, and log in into your username and password. Click on DT subscription, go to subscription profile, click e-payment or cash or check payment and select the subscription plan which you wish to subscribe. To accept the subscription terms and condition, click to confirm button to proceed with the payment. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.